People, ladies and lads, it is 4:25 and I'm about to go with my car to my first evening meet. It's also the first time that I vlog at this time of the day, so I really don't know what to expect. When I saw the announcement of this meet, the Holy Spirit told me I should go, so here again, just like he did for the Cars and Coffee, we're going. We are 3 minutes away. Took me about an hour to get here. So far I've seen maybe one or two slightly modified cars. I really don't know what to expect, but we'll see.
Turn right, then your destination will be on the right.
Oh, there we are. Just seen a Subaru. Let's go. We are here. Alright. Time check 5:52 and it was supposed to start at 6. So we are as usual on time. On, well, actually 3 to this. You have this little wing thing, you have these ones, and then that. All in carbon too. Check this out. These wheels are nice. These are like WRX inspired wheels. I really like them. Look at this. Can you read that? Oh my god. If this car isn't on Vodafone, call the cops. That's funny. That's funny. I like this guy. I like this guy. Of course, being a WRX owner, checking out the other ones. There is one, but I think this one is he has winter tires. And the look I'm looking for is pretty much flush, but I haven't seen anyone put that out yet. Yeah, it's not, still tucking, not quite flush. Yeah, but I like the wing. Maybe people wouldn't like this one, but I like it. Yo, I almost missed this thing. Look at this. Ooh. GMC, and all he did is pretty much wheels, tint, and that's it. And yet it's pretty nice. Huh. Cars keeps rolling in. Let me check, what time is it? It is 7. I'm glad I came in early. That way I parked where I wanted to. We need to check out that WRX over there. Look how low this is. This is insane. This is crazy. No big name on this one. It's fun air, I'm pretty sure. We found them. Look at these wheels. This is pretty much the fitment that I want on mine. There's a lot of tires too. That's nice. I need to talk to this guy. This is what I'm looking for. Whew. This is good. This is good. And then he has his brother. Obviously, in terms of the Mustang, this one was still shown on this meet. Super crazy wide body. Ton of canvas.
La compagnie avec qui j'ai acheté mon kit, ils ont sorti un
EV Police. This is the first time I see this. I for sure thought that this was a rap. Interesting. Huh. Well, you evil boys. There's one all in black. And the flares, which by the way are in carbon. Personally not a fan of these, but to each his own, right? If you like it, you like it. That's the most important part. Oh, I didn't know this is WRX. Huh. What is it? C5? C5? C6? I think it's 5. C5. You guys let me know if I'm right or not. So I think it's C5. Uh-huh. So if I'm not mistaken, these are the VLAN headlights. First time I see them in real life. This is the bulge that people are talking about. Oh, so this guy has the Subi Speed ones, taillights. I already know which one I want, but they are out of stock. So hopefully, oh, it also has an exhaust. I wonder which one this is. Quite a lot of people here. It's pretty cool. It's pretty calm. No one is revving. No one is doing burnouts and stuff. This is the type of meets that I like. And I think an R32 is about to come out. Yep. No, this is not R32. My bad. My bad, people. My bad. S14? 13? I don't remember. I can't tell. Sorry, guys. Now, this will probably have to be my favorite that I've seen so far. What is this? This is this is a WRX. I like this one a lot. Okay, let me see. I can't really. Yeah, this will have to be my favorite WRX here. This is nice. Or is it? Either this one or those two over there. This one is nice though. Very, very nice. So I've been seeing a lot of golf. So I'm going to play a little game and we are going to count how many there are here. Alright, let's set the count. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8 over there. I don't know if it's a part of the meet. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I don't count, people. There's another one leaving over there. Well, you get the point. So many Golfs. Okay? We have Golfs, BRZs, FRSs, many of them, WRXs, a lot of them, a few STIs. Yeah, this is a pretty nice turnout. I got to talk to a few people. That's cool. Time to go, people. It was good. No shenanigans, no burnouts. I like it. I liked it a lot. I don't know how well I did filming. Hopefully I did a pretty decent job. But yeah, we are going back home.